Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix phone link not working in Windows 11. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to fix the phone link app not working, you have to follow these steps. Whether you're having connecting issues, the app's not opening, or it's just not working in general, there are a few methods you can use to solve the problem. First, go down to your taskbar and make sure Energy Saver mode is disabled. Once that's done, open your Start menu, search for Share across devices, and open it. Click the drop-down arrow next to Share across devices, and make sure My Devices Only is selected. After that, click on Apps from the left side, then go to Installed Apps. Here, scroll all the way down, and then open System Components. Here, then use the search box or find Phone Link from the list. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Here, go to Background Permission and set background permissions to Always. Once done, then scroll down, click Terminate, then go to the Reset section, click Repair, and once that finishes, click Reset as well. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Run, and open it. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Store. Then go to Library on the bottom left side and make sure Phone Link is fully updated. If you see a cloud icon, it needs updating. But if you see the Open button, it's already up to date. After updating, open the app and try reconnecting your phone to see if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, then go to Start menu again and open Settings. Then go to Bluetooth and Devices and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If the problem continues, unlink your phone from the app and then reconnect it again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Phone Link not working in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.